Welcome back to our channel. Here is our guide on how to use your discount and redeem codes. Firstly, log into your account and click Practice Platform. Next, we choose Pricing and pick our most suitable package. For example, we pick 15 days premium, and then we apply your discount code here. Click Apply, then we see the new price immediately. Click your name in the top right-hand corner. This is your personal site. Then, we scroll down, use your redeem code here and choose Redeem. Congratulations, you successfully redeemed your code. We wish you all the best on your preparation journey.